This is why you need to protect yourself on social media. Scammers are lurking, but we've got your back. Let's dive right into it. Picture this. You're scrolling through your feed and you see a post that screams, "Just won $10,000. Sounds awesome, right? But hold up, that's a classic fake giveaway scam. They're fishing for your personal info. Next, there's the guy showing off his brand new mining rig. Cool, but he's just painted a big red target on himself for thieves. So what can you do? First off, set your profiles to private. This keeps prying eyes away from your personal life. And here's a biggie: never ever post pictures of your ID cards, bills, or boarding passes. Why? Because scammers can piece together your identity and cause serious damage. Think before you post and share smartly. Stay vigilant and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Keep those settings tight and your personal info out of the spotlight. You've got this. Stay safe, stay savvy, and stop those scammers in their tracks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these tips with your friends. Secure your digital life like never before. Explore vital cybersecurity tips and tools to protect your online world. With support always available, you are never alone in the fight against fraud. Let us unite for a safer internet where community and peace of mind lead the charge. Hit like and subscribe for transformative insights and stay informed on the latest in digital defense. Let's make social media a safer space for everyone. Thanks for watching.